Hey guys, it is 6:53 and we're just waiting on our Lyft to take us to the airport for our next great adventure. Haven't decided on a name for this one, but it should definitely be called something like Planes, Trains, and Automobiles Ships. You'll see. Come along. Alright, we're all checked in. Time to go through security. I never knew this walkway was here, and I've been to this airport about 1,000,000 times. So we thought we'd try walking this time. This magic eye puzzle billboard is driving me absolutely insane. I used to be so good at these, but I cannot make out what's in this picture. We got a pre-flight meal from PDQ. It looks like some fried chicken, eggs, hash browns, and cheese. Looks like our plane is here and they're loading everything up. So I have been to the Denver airport once before. This is where we're catching our connecting flight to Los Angeles. The flight was good. Definitely had a little bit of a scary landing, lots of movement. Scary for me at least. I'm a very nervous flyer. But we are on to Los Angeles. I got this latte from Happy Cakes. Took the first sip, really good. All right, here we go. We made it on the plane and we're on our way to LA. So that's the room we get to head into. Let's go. Hey guys, excuse my disheveled appearance. We've had an all-day travel day, but I did want to give you a quick tour of the hotel we're staying in. So we're staying in the Hampton Inn, LAX El Segundo. So it's really close to LAX. So let's take a quick tour of the room. This is what it looks like right when you walk in, minus the suitcase. The suitcase isn't going to be there. Hey, again, let's have this cool sliding door that closes off the bathroom, full-length mirror, and it's also the closet door as well. Looks like there's an extra blanket in there, coat hangers. There's a safe down there as well. So let's check out the bathroom. There's the toilet area and then a really nice shower. Looks very spacious. So here's the bed. We got a king size bed. Something kind of cool in these nightstands is there's these pull out surface areas where you can have some additional space for all the things you want to keep on your nightstand. This little lounging area looks really nice. You can see the table right there for your laptop or whatever else you want to have on there. Here is the view from our room. Not too much to look at, but we chose this room mainly for location as opposed to any spectacular views we may or may not get. This Hampton Inn does have a restaurant downstairs as well and a full bar. Here's the menu for that. Again, we're only here for 2 nights, but a nice little desk area right there. Little coffee maker down there. Oh, and it pulls out. That's kind of cool that it pulls out like that, so you don't have to like dig back in the depths of this storage unit. Oh, and some like pull-out storage containers. That's pretty cool. And then the TV. Since this hotel is so close to LAX, they do have a lot of like airplane art around the hotel, which is neat, especially if you're a fan of aviation. All right, so that is it for this hotel room. Again, we're going to be here for the next couple of nights. I know now we're researching where the closest In-N-Out is because we have been craving In-N-Out burger all day. So I didn't get to show you at Enterprise, but this is the car we ended up getting. This is a Chevy Corvette Stingray. I didn't get to show you at Enterprise because there was some logistical issues with me getting in there in the luggage, but we made it. I'll put a picture in now of what that looked like. I can't wait to drive this around more. But on to In-N-Out. All right, we made it to the promised land for Floridians where we don't have In-N-Out. Oh, I'm so hungry. I've barely eaten anything today. Let's go eat. Here's the goods. We both got double doubles and fries. I remember thinking animal style was too much on the fries last time I was here. So I'm just trying the regular fries this time. Oh, this looks so good. We also got some milkshakes at In-N-Out. We both got the chocolate milkshake and they're pre-blended already. So they're not like the best milkshake I've ever had, but it's still good. And I think we're just gonna drive around for the night. We're both kind of sleepy from the travel and stuff, so I'm just gonna enjoy this car and the California scenery. Thank you so much for joining us on this travel day. We're both feeling pretty tired right now, so I'm excited to get some sleep and be up bright and early tomorrow to drive along the Pacific Coast Highway, which we're both really excited about. But I hope you enjoyed this travel day. We did get to see some, like the Santa Monica Pier. That was really cool. So we had a great day. So please, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and follow us for more around California